Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt a tight, painful pull right here at the back of your neck? Maybe you thought, I just slept wrong. But what if your body is actually warning you about something much deeper? What if those stiff neck muscles are slowly reducing blood flow, compressing nerves, and even affecting your balance, sleep, headaches, and shoulder strength after 60? Most seniors ignore this pain in the beginning until one morning they turn their head and feel a sudden sharp pain. Or worse, they start losing mobility little by little without realizing it. And here's the scary part. The muscles at the back of your neck are directly connected to your shoulders, upper spine, posture, and even your nervous system. When these muscles stay tight for too long, your entire body starts compensating. That's why today, I'm going to show you what causes this stiffness after 50, why it becomes worse in the morning, the simple exercises that help relax these muscles safely, and the vitamins many seniors are missing without even knowing it. Because ignoring this problem now can make everyday movements painful later. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll also share one simple morning habit that many physical therapists recommend for seniors to reduce neck tightness naturally. So before you scroll away, listen carefully. Your neck may be trying to warn you. After age 50, the muscles behind the neck naturally become weaker and tighter, especially if you spend hours sitting, watching TV, looking down at a phone, or sleeping with poor posture. Over time, these muscles become stressed and inflamed, and during sleep, they tighten even more. That's why many seniors wake up feeling stiff, sore, or unable to turn their head comfortably. Some people even feel headaches starting from the neck. Others notice shoulder pain, dizziness, or tingling in the arms. And sadly, many people think painkillers are the only answer. But painkillers don't fix tight muscles. They only hide the warning signs. Now listen carefully. One of the biggest hidden causes of neck tightness after 60 is muscle weakness combined with stress. When the body stays tense for days or weeks, the neck muscles never fully relax. Stress hormones stay elevated. The shoulders tighten, the jaw clenches during sleep, and the neck muscles suffer silently every single night. This is why emotional stress can actually become physical pain, especially in older adults. But the good news is, gentle movement can help restore blood flow, relax tight tissue, and reduce stiffness naturally. Let's start with the first exercise, the chin tuck. This simple movement helps realign the neck and reduce pressure on tight muscles. Sit tall in a chair. Now, slowly pull your chin backward, like you're making a double chin. Hold for 5 seconds. Then relax. Do this slowly 5 to 10 times. No sudden movements. Many seniors feel relief within days because this exercise gently wakes up weak neck support muscles. The second exercise is shoulder rolls. Most neck tension actually comes from tight shoulders. Slowly roll your shoulders backward in a circular motion. Breathe deeply. Then reverse the direction. This improves circulation and relaxes upper back tension connected to the neck. The third exercise is one many physical therapists love for seniors, the towel neck stretch. Take a small towel, place it gently behind your neck. Hold both ends softly. Now slowly look upward slightly while supporting the neck with the towel. Hold for a few seconds. Then relax. This can help reduce stiffness safely without straining the spine. But remember, Never force the movement. Pain is a warning signal, not a challenge. Now, let's talk about something many seniors overlook completely. Vitamins. Because tight muscles are not always caused by posture alone. Sometimes the body is missing nutrients needed for healthy muscles and nerves. One of the biggest deficiencies linked to muscle tightness is magnesium. Low magnesium levels may increase muscle cramps, tension, and poor sleep. Another important nutrient is vitamin D. Millions of older Americans are low in vitamin D, especially seniors who stay indoors often. Low vitamin D can contribute to muscle weakness and chronic pain. Vitamin B12 is also important, especially for nerve health. Low B12 may cause tingling, burning sensations, weakness, and balance issues. And don't forget hydration. Many seniors wake up dehydrated, which can make muscles tighter in the morning. Even mild dehydration affects muscle flexibility. Now, here's something important. If your neck pain comes with arm weakness, numbness, severe headaches, chest pain, or loss of balance, please don't ignore it. Those symptoms need medical attention. Because sometimes neck pain is more than muscle tension. But for many seniors, small daily habits make the biggest difference. Better posture, gentle stretching, less phone time with the head bent forward, a supportive pillow, daily walking, stress reduction, and consistent movement. These simple actions can slowly help the muscles relax. And here's the morning habit I promised earlier. Before getting out of bed, place your hands gently on the back of your neck. Take 3 slow, deep breaths, and slowly move your shoulders backward. This relaxes the nervous system before the muscles suddenly tense up for the day. It sounds simple, but for many seniors, it changes how their neck feels every morning. Your body is always talking to you. Tightness, stiffness, pain, these are messages. And the earlier you respond, the easier it becomes to protect your mobility and independence after 60. So if this video helped you, write the word relief in the comments below. And remember, getting older does not mean living in pain. Your body still wants to heal. You just have to give it the right support. Take care of your neck before the stiffness spreads into the rest of your life.